Oh, it's zoomed in. Oh, dang. I had it on full zoom. It is hailing on the first day of rain.
Ah, it hit me in the hand.
It was being stupid. Ow! Ah!
So bad.
Look at all that hail.
That one hurt. Oh, that hurt. Hit me in the- Look at that. Look at my knuckle.
It looks all swollen.
I'm good. Oh, that hurts so bad.
That was great.
Is it still hailing?
Yeah? Duh, that's why there's still hail coming down.
Hey, let's do it one more time. Ready?
Not really.
Set, go.
We should jump on the trampoline.
No, no, okay. Ow! You got me in the ear!
He went inside. Now I gotta go inside. Ah! Got me right in the head.
Look at my knuckle, it's swollen and black. It hurts so
Let me
bad.
see it. Let me see it.
See it?
Yeah. Gosh.
You missed the call.
Yeah, right.
Kennedy's a wimp. He didn't come out.
Hey, I'll do it.
Smart one.
It's
Oh, dude, it's gonna hurt.
Go.
Dude, look at that car, it's getting dented. I just got the- Are you wet? I'm soaking wet. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, that hurt. It hit me in the knuckle, the same spot. Oh, it hurts so bad.
Hey! Hey!